Hey, my name is Jess Huff, and I design free amigurumi patterns available at jesshuff.com. In this video series, we'll be doing a crochet along for my free amigurumi pattern, Sage the Sheep. A link to the full written pattern is available in the video description below, along with a list of all the supplies you'll need. This intro is the first video of the 8-part series. Videos 2 through 7 will show you how to crochet all the pieces. In the 8th and final video, we'll assemble everything together. If you run into any questions while making this sheep, I highly recommend joining my Facebook group, Crochet with Jess Huff. We have thousands of members with experience making my patterns, and countless individuals who are happy to help. I've included a link to that group in the video description as well. Proceed to the next video, and we'll make the ears for your sheep. Before you go, please be sure to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. I look forward to crocheting with you.